On this new year, I promised myself to learn Notion, and it has been first week of the new year, and I've learned something. I've created a note on Notion for myself, and I want to show you the first glimpse of it. Here it is. It's my workspace, and I've created some notes on forensic medicine. So I want to show you that. Let's click on this, and this is the first template that I have created. Actually, the template is available in Notion, but I've organized it in a way that I can keep track of every topic. I've prepared note of 3 topics till now. That is the basic introduction of forensic medicine, medical laws and ethics, and the legal procedures. And since I've been using Anki for a long time now, so I wanted to incorporate the two basic ideas of Anki into the Notion itself. The first thing is about the revision. It's about the space repetition or the revision in Anki. So to keep track of that, I have kept a table that says revision status, whether I have done or not done. I can always change the status of this. If I have done the revision, then I can change it and get the idea that I have revised this topic and I don't need to look after it in very near future. So I've not started it yet, so I'll keep it not done. And status, have I started? Is it in progress? Is the study of this topic complete? I can keep track of this. So if I have studied the topic, then I'll change the tag to complete. In if I have not started, then I can keep track of it in a simple way. I can change it whenever I want. So this is one way in which I can keep track of my progress. So let's look at the notes that I have actually prepared. Here is the introduction of forensic medicine. So let's open it as a page. So these are all the things that I explained. So the next best method that the Anki uses is the active recall, and active recall means you are asked a question and you need to answer. So I have kept the note in the form of questions, and these are questions that have already been asked in the exams. So highly tested questions are kept here. So what is forensic medicine? I'll try to give the answer to these questions, and if I don't know the answer of this question, then I can simply look at the answer. Oh, this is forensic medicine. And if I want to recall it, then I can simply toggle it back and recall it to test myself whether I know the answer well or not. And here is one question, functions of the medical legal system. These questions have been asked twice. So if I know, I'll try to recall. If I don't know, I can just look at the answers. So these are the functions of medical legal system, and this is the way I have prepared my notes, including the system that the Anki provides. And I'm still learning Notion and trying to figure out how Notion actually works actually. So this is it for now.